Hi, I'm Lance Allen. I'm an artist and have music on Spotify. And today I want to show you how to use it, especially if you're a first time user of the app. And I want to show you how to create playlists, how to open the program, how to search for artists, all that good stuff. So let's dive in and give you a beginner's guide to using Spotify. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the App Store and search up Spotify. It should pop up. And then there it is with the logo. You can see there, that's correct. I've already downloaded it to my phone, so let's open it up. When you sign up for Spotify, you can sign in with your Facebook profile, or you can use your email address and put in your credit card information. It's totally secure. And here's what it looks like, the home place. Now, when you sign in, you will not have any new music in there, and you can see I've got several things there. I'm a big fan of Jack Johnson and Beethoven, so those things pop up as previously played. It's easy to click the button in the middle and search for artists that you like. So say I like, let's just say Taylor Swift. She's going to pop up the very first thing. And you can see that she has new music coming out. That's the first thing. You can click on that and you can follow this playlist. When you start following things on Spotify, it will start creating things for you like Release Radar or Discover Weekly, and it'll also start suggesting music for you when you open up the app. You can also sign up to have push notifications. It'll tell you when new artists that you follow have new music out, things like that. So to create a playlist on Spotify, let's just say I like Jack Johnson, but I don't like all the music on this playlist. You can click these three little buttons over here on the right, and then you can see there you can add to the playlist. You can also heart the song. When you heart a song, it puts it into your liked songs, and you can easily find that in your library over here. And it's the very first thing that you see there, liked songs. And you can follow pretty much any playlist on Spotify and listen to them however many times you want. Let's say you like a particular playlist. You can click the three buttons up here and you can follow the playlist and you can easily find it in your list of music. And you can also share it on any of your social medias. Or, here's another nice thing about Spotify that's quite like Pandora, you can go to radio. Go to radio is going to play you Jack Johnson and other artists that play next to Jack Johnson or whatever artist that you're listening to. That's a cool feature. I like that. Sometimes I don't want to just listen to one artist, but I want to listen to a station. And there's plenty of songs in there, and they're algorithmic, so they pull up based on your listening habits. It's a very smart program. And as far as creating your own playlist, what's really cool, you can click on the buttons again and say I want to add to playlist. You can create a new playlist with this green button up there, and you can title it whatever you want. You could title it after the song title, or you can title it whatever. You can also add a picture to make it more personal or personalized. And that's how you do that. One thing that's kind of cool about Spotify is they have a few things, like this is the album view. And in the album view, you can click shuffle or repeat a song or repeat a playlist. And you see there that you have all these options of hearting songs. And then it also will show you here what's upcoming. If you're playing a playlist, it'll show you the order of songs that are coming up next. It's pretty cool. And if you ever see, sometimes there's an artist will show like a QR code. Say you're driving, no, not driving, but say you're like in a coffee shop and you see a QR code for a musician that you might want to check out. So you can click on the camera there, and here you can scan the QR code that is displayed. So a lot of artists will use QR codes, and it'll take you directly to their artist page. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of how to use Spotify for the first time user. And I would like to invite you to check out my playlist that I created called Acoustic Guitar Cafe. It's easy listening instrumental guitar music. You can also see here that I have a playlist of all of my music. I'm an artist on Spotify, like I said, and you can follow me and listen to my music there. It's really great stuff. Thanks again for watching my video on how to use Spotify for dummies. But hey, you're no dummy. You're going to listen to some great music now. Again, I'm Lance Allen, and thanks for watching.